everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. So today is the Journal Jubilee. It's hashtag Journal Jubilee. It's an open collab, and we upload on Tuesdays, but it doesn't have to be Tuesdays. If you want to join in, you can join in on any day. And it's hosted by myself. I'm Linda from Pretty Designs and Thrifty Finds, Jamie Leisman, and Perry Piccola's Vlogs, and I will link those channels below. Go check them out because they're going to be doing that today. But again, you know, you don't always have to do it on Tuesday. I'm doing mine today. And if you've been following along with me, you know that I was working on my, let me just hold this for 1 second. I have been working on my, what I call Joy Journal, but some people call them junk journals, some people call them scrapbooks, some people call them glue books, whatever you want to call it. Mine just happened to be, I decided for the Joy Journal. So anyway, if you've been following along with me, you know that I have 4 birthdays in March that I've been putting into this book. Plus, in March there was St. Patty's Day, and spring happened, and I don't know what else I'm forgetting. But anyway, so if you've been following along, you know that I've been putting things in to represent the birthdays of my family and what those particular people really like. So I was going to finish this and completely, you know, do all the edges and everything, but I'm very, very particular and picky about my art. And so I didn't find the edging that I wanted for it yet, so I just added some stickers in it. Because I want it to look old but polished at the same time. You know, I want to make it seem like it's kind of, you know, kind of retro. So, anyway, let me see, I didn't add any stickers. Oh, here I did. I added some stickers from the journal book that I had from Dollar Tree from last year. They're like pads of journal things. And so I just added like little things over here, like umbrellas, sun signs, St. Patrick's Day, Lucky, that Splish Splash one. What does that say? Splash in rain puddles. And then Wear Green. And I don't think I added anything onto that page. And then I added some stickers onto the envelope here. And I figure and then I put a little girl at the corner. I kind of cut that out of a book, watering plants, and then I put some flowers down there. I put like a little umbrella over her, because all those stickers were in that sticker pad that I got at Dollar Tree when everything was $1 at Dollar Tree. And then, okay, so I did put some paper to cover up the words on there, and then I put the butterflies there. And I think I might have done one more thing in here. Oh yeah, I had May the Force Be With You. I put some papers up there. And then I had the Mandalorian for my grandson, and then I added another Sonic because this Sonic kind of got like covered up in the front. So that represents my grandson, so I put Sonic in the middle. Okay, I thought that was kind of cute. And then I do think I added to, no, I didn't add to that page, but I'm thinking I'll add next March, right? Alright, so I added to this page. Okay, so originally there was just Barbie and Ken kind of on a blanket with a radio and a little picnic basket. But I kind of added to it to try to make the pages, you know, like maybe he brought her a box of chocolates, I don't know, to the picnic because it was her birthday, whatever, because this is like a birthday theme too. And I put a butterfly in there. And I almost made it seem like it was an extension of the blanket they were laying on. By making it like a big quilt, like a multicolored quilt. So that's as far as I really got in this book, and I decided that I'll leave the last few pages blank for next year because I'll add to it next year, and then I'll hopefully have the edging on it by then too, because I did want to get started on my Easter Joy Journal. So let me just show you what I've done with that. Okay, so I printed out some things at the library. So I put this on the front of a book. I glued it on, and it kind of went back over the edge of it, so I kind of taped it right there. And this is by no means done, but it is, you know, Easter. So Easter's coming up this Sunday. By the time the next Journal Jubilee comes, Easter will be over. So I wanted to just, you know, show you what I'm starting. So A lot of this stuff I did cut out of magazines, or I got at Dollar Tree. So I cut that little chocolate bunny out of a magazine. It's like, you know, you can, it's like a little picture of a chocolate bunny, but I don't know if it's coming in. And those peeps came out of a sticker book at Dollar Tree. And then that was a package of stickers at Dollar Tree, and I think I got that in a book, like a cake making book. And then this was one of those, these are all, let me get a better light, hold on. Okay, all these stickers came out of this book, like the Happy Planner. Remember when Dollar Tree had them? So I just, it says at the top, it says Spring Bucket List. I don't know if you can see that. And then I just wrote things like shop, put things like shop at farmer's market, go on a picnic, visit the Easter bunny, Easter egg hunt, church, cook a meal for mom. And I'll show it to you better the next time. It's broad daylight. I don't know why it's not coming in right. And then this was one of those Valentines that I got at the library. I printed it out. They just ask for a donation. You can print them out on the library if you can find them. And then they just ask you to do a donation. And then this was a Dollar Tree and a pack of stickers. And I put two of the little, I also got those. No, I think I got those at Dollar General, those little peeps. I'm sorry if it's not coming in really, really good, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, there it is. You can see the peeps in the window. And then I think there's one more page, or maybe two. Okay, this was a window cling. I just glued him on, and those were also from the Dollar Tree. And I don't know what I'm doing there. I put those things around. I have no idea what that's for, but I'll figure something out. Maybe I'm trying to say that it's like a fence or something. Okay, and last but not least, this is like a Barbie cutout doll that was on the front of a pack of paper dolls from Dollar Tree. And I just put like little peep slippers on her because the shoe was covered by the word. And she's all in her Easter bonnet. So anyway, guys, that's it for now. And I'll have more next Tuesday. Thanks so much for coming along. And feel free to join in on this open collab. It's a lot of fun to do the junk journaling, joy journaling, whatever you want to call it. And everyone is invited along. And I'm just trying to think of like if I'm leaving anything out. I don't think I am. And if I am leaving anything out, I'll definitely put it in the description box below. And I hope you got to see this good, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye now.